Tonight, the sisterhood's back.
5, 6, 7, go!
And they're turning it way up.
Pow, 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 pow!
Bigger.
How big are your boobs? I think great.
Bolder.
Tawana's not being a bridezilla.
Where's Trina?
Yeah.
Braxton.
This is not a war.
Better take that back.
I'm not taking nothing back. Now what?
The Braxtons. All new tonight at 8 on WeTV. Set your DVR now.